Welcome back. In this video, we will introduce the Resource Finder application, which is designed to identify skilled resources capable of delivering a work package or service. Let's open the Resource Finder application, which operates based on either a work package or service delivery. Here, we'll select the Service Delivery option and choose a service from the drop-down Drill Pipe Inspection Services. In the previous video, we assigned a work order to Mike Roberts. Now we are searching for available resources. But since our work order application automatically displays a list of qualified resources within the specified time frame, this step is handled automatically. Let's take an example. Let's say we created a work order on March 17th for drill pipe inspection services. Our objective is to deliver this service to a customer on that date. To determine the available resources or delivery leads, we press the Populate button. Now, we have created a work order for the same drill pipe inspection service under the Core Special Projects, and assigned it to Mike Robert on March 17th. For this order, the system currently shows 3 available resources: Bruce Ernst, Diana Lorenz, and Alexander Hunold. However, in the Occupied Resources list, Mike Roberts appears as assigned. This means he has already been allocated to work order number 36 and is occupied until March 17th. Next, we track his location on the map. The system shows that Mike Roberts is currently scheduled in the Sydney-Parrata area, which is the location of the Core Special Project. Since he is already assigned to work order number 36, he is scheduled to work at this site. With this application, you can easily view all occupied resources, track their locations, and see where they are scheduled to work. Additionally, the application also supports work packages, which are commonly used in projects. If you need to assign a work package for specific dates, you can check resource availability. By selecting Work Package, defining the period, and clicking Populate, users can check and track scheduled and occupied resources efficiently, even on the map. That's all for this application. Thank you for watching.